Welcome back. In this video, we shall learn how to format nested arrays using the index and brackets notation method. If you can remember, we talked about nested arrays in a previous video, the type of array that has arrays inside it. So let's say we have this nested array here. We shall be using the brackets notation to sort the items in this nested array. To do that, let's create another variable and let's call it sorted array, and let's set it to nested array with a bracket notation with a square bracket, let's say 0, and let's place another square bracket and let's say 1. Now let's console.log our sorted array to see what we have. As you can see, we have Ada in our console. Now let me explain how we sorted this item and printed that to our console. Now I want us to look at this with the spreadsheet mentality. So the first index in the bracket notation, which is 0 here, grabs the row. And to mention, in our case, the first row is this row. Like I said, in computer science, we start counting from 0. The next index here, which is 1, grabs the column in the row that has already been grabbed. If you remember, we grabbed a row using this. So this row was grabbed. And 1 here will grab the column in that row that was grabbed, and the column is this, Ada. Why it's Ada is because we started counting from 0. So it's 34, which is 0, and Ada, which is 1. So the first bracket here grabs this. So if I change this to 2 and I keep this at 2 and I console.log, you can see we have Tari. And that's because I grabbed this row and I grabbed this column here. So don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.